Alright, good morning y'all. I am doing something I've wanted to do for a very long time. Kayak this specific lake here. It's early morning, looks amazing, topwater conditions, fog everywhere, glass calm. So I'm gonna put in the water and get to fishing. Fish on a Wacky senko. Doesn't feel very big, but oh, it's a decent one. Come up here. The fish here fight super hard. It's about a 2.5 pounder, I'd say. Please don't jump. There we go. Nice fish. It's a chunky upper 1 pounder. Good way to start the day. Came on a Wacky senko. Another fish on. Bit right up on shore. Feels pretty decent. Ooh. Oh yeah, looks like a nice one. About the same length as the last one, but a little bit fatter. He's got a belly. Another nice chunky fish on the senko. There's one. He's digging. Oh. Oh, that's a nice fish. Please don't come off. That's a nice one. Oh. This one's probably 3 pounds, way bigger than the last two. Come on in. Oh yeah, that is a very nice fish. Probably right around 3 pounds. Oh, look at that, he's barely hooked. Super nice fish. About a 3 pounder. Oh gosh, he wants to go. Right about a 3 pounder on the senko, super fat and healthy. There he goes. Another fish on. The senko came way back out of a cove and just shot straight towards me. Could barely keep up with him. another nice fish, barely hooked. About a 2.5 pounder. Just barely got him in the nose. Fish number 5 on. Come here, buddy. Not that big, 1.5 pounds. My GoPro just died, but I got a pretty nice fish, probably an upper 2 pounder, and came off a big laydown, dragged me all around. So, fish number 6. Cool. Another really nice fish here, about 2 pounds. No, that's pushing 3, probably just under 3, maybe 3, on the wacky worm. One of my last fish of the day, and a very nice one. Well, I'm back on shore now, and pulled the kayak up. Pretty good day of fishing, 10 fish. Average is about 2.5 pounds, which is really good. This is a nice lake with some good fish. Had one that was about 3 pounds and another one that might have been at 3 pounds. So really happy with the day. Glad I was able to get out in the kayak. Fished with senkos the entire time, some yum dingers, and some Bucks Stickum Sticks. Got the job done. Overall, great day. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Floyd Outdoors.